meditation is a practice that has been used for thousands of years to promote relaxation, reduce stress, improve overall well-being. In recent years, there has been growing interest in the neuroscience of meditation, which seeks to understand how meditation affects the brain and how it can be used to support mental health. By exploring the benefits of meditation and its impact on the brain, we can gain deeper understanding of this ancient practice and its potential to improve our lives. In this video, we will explore the topic of meditation and neuroscience and discuss how these two fields are closely related. We will talk about the benefits of meditation and how it can be used to support mental health, as well as the underlying biology and brain areas that are activated during meditation. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of meditation and neuroscience. Meditation is a technique that has been used for thousands of years to develop awareness of the present moment, reduce stress, and promote relaxation. There are many different types of meditation, each with its own unique focus and approach. Mindfulness meditation. This type of meditation involves focusing on the present moment and becoming aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. It can involve focusing on your breath, body sensations, or external stimuli. Loving-kindness meditation. This type of meditation involves cultivating feelings of love, kindness, and compassion towards yourself and others. It can involve repeating phrases or visualizing people or situations that bring you joy. Mantra meditation. This type of meditation involves repeating a word or phrase, either aloud or in your head, to help focus your mind and promote relaxation. Movement meditation. This type of meditation involves incorporating movement into your practice, such as walking or yoga. It can help you to connect with your body and promote relaxation. Transcendental meditation. This type of meditation involves using a specific mantra to help focus your mind and promote relaxation. Guided meditation. This type of meditation involves following a guided meditation recording or video to help you focus your mind and promote relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation. This type of meditation involves tensing and relaxing different muscle groups in your body to promote relaxation. If you are interested in learning more about meditation and its different types, there are many resources available online. Meditation has been shown to have a significant impact on the brain, with many studies demonstrating changes in brain activity and structure as a result of regular meditation practice. Increased gray matter volume. Studies have shown that regular meditation practice can increase the volume of gray matter in certain regions of the brain, including the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for decision-making, attention, and self-control. Reduces activity in the default mode network. The default mode network is a network of brain regions that is active when the mind is at rest and not focused on the outside world. Studies have shown that meditation can reduce activity in this network, which is associated with mind-wandering and self-referential thinking. Increases activity in the anterior cingulate cortex. The anterior cingulate cortex is a brain region that is involved in regulating emotions and attention. Studies have shown that meditation can increase activity in this region, which may help to reduce stress and improve emotional regulation. Changes brain waves. Different types of meditation can have different effects on brain waves. For example, mindfulness meditation has been shown to increase alpha and theta brain waves, which are associated with relaxation and mental clarity. Increases connectivity between brain regions. Studies have shown that long-term meditation practice can increase connectivity between different regions of the brain, including the prefrontal cortex and the insula, which are involved in attention and emotional regulation. Activates the parasympathetic nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system is responsible for the rest and digest response in the body. Studies have shown that meditation can activate this system, leading to reduced heart rate, blood pressure, and stress levels. Some examples of brain regions that are activated during meditation include the prefrontal cortex, the anterior cingulate cortex, and the insula. Long-term meditation practice has been shown to have a significant impact on the brain. Studies demonstrating changes in brain structure and function that are associated with improved mental health and well-being. Meditation has been shown to offer many benefits for mental health and well-being. Reduced stress. Meditation can help to reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. Improved mood. Regular meditation practice has been shown to enhance mood and promote positive emotions. Increased focus. Meditation can help to improve focus and attention span, which can be beneficial for work or study. Reduced symptoms of anxiety and depression. Studies have shown that meditation can be an effective tool for managing symptoms of anxiety and depression. Improved sleep. Meditation can help to promote healthy sleep patterns and improve the quality of sleep. Increased self-awareness. Meditation can help to increase self-awareness and promote a greater understanding of one's thoughts and emotions. Increased compassion and empathy. Loving-kindness meditation, in particular, has been shown to increase feelings of compassion and empathy towards oneself and others. Reduced symptoms of PTSD. Meditation has been shown to be effective in reducing symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder (PTSD). Improved heart health. Meditation can help to reduce strain on the heart and lower blood pressure, which can improve heart function over time. Increased pain tolerance. Regular meditation practice has been shown to increase pain tolerance and reduce the perception of pain in the brain. Increased creativity. Meditation can help to increase imagination and creativity. Increased patience and tolerance. Regular meditation practice can help to increase patience and tolerance towards oneself and others. Meditation can be used as a tool to support mental health and well-being in many different ways. For example, it can be used to manage symptoms of anxiety and depression, reduce stress levels, improve sleep quality, and increase self-awareness. By incorporating regular meditation practice into your routine, you can experience the many benefits that this ancient technique has to offer. Conclusion: meditation is a powerful practice that can positively impact your mental health and overall well-being. Here are the key points we've covered in this video. What is meditation? Meditation is a practice that involves training your attention to achieve a state of calm concentration and positive emotions. Mindfulness meditation, which focuses on attention and acceptance, is one of the most popular techniques. Neuroscience of meditation. Research has shown that meditation can lead to changes in the brain, including improved attention and self-regulation. It can also have long-term effects on brain structure and function, especially in individuals who have been practicing meditation for a significant amount of time. Benefits of meditation. Some of the benefits of meditation include reduced stress, improved mood, increased focus, and enhanced overall well-being. Meditation can also be used as a tool for mental health, helping to manage symptoms of depression and anxiety. Start a meditation now. Start this meditation at a convenient and free time for you. I have uploaded this in a separate video so that you can find this practical part easily. The link is in the description below. Hi everyone, and welcome to this guided meditation video. I'm a meditation teacher with over 5 years of experience. Today, we're going to be doing a guided meditation for blissful deep relaxation. Be gentle with yourself. There is no need to force yourself to relax. If you feel any pain, stop the meditation and rest. If your mind wanders, simply bring it back to your breath. Take your time. There is no rush to finish the meditation. Hi everyone, and welcome to this guided meditation video. I'm a meditation teacher with over 5 years of experience. Today, we're going to be doing a guided meditation for blissful deep relaxation. Be gentle with yourself. There is no need to force yourself to relax. If you feel any pain, stop the meditation and rest. If your mind wanders, simply bring it back to your breath. Take your time. There is no rush to finish the meditation. Find a comfortable position to sit or lie down in, and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths and allow your body to relax. And now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe in and out. With each breath, imagine that you are releasing any tension or stress from your body. Feel your muscles relax and your mind becomes calm. Now, bring your attention to your body. Scan your body from head to toe and notice any areas of tension. Breathe into these areas and allow the tension to melt away. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Let your body rest on your chair or bed. Focus your attention on the top of your head. Look for any tension in your forehead, scalp, or jaw area. If you feel any tension, breathe into it and let it melt away. Focus your attention on your neck and shoulders. Notice if there is any tension in these areas. If you feel any tension, breathe into it and let it melt away. Focus your attention on your back and chest. Notice if there is any tension in these areas. If you feel any tension, breathe into it and let it melt away. Focus your attention on your hands and arms. Notice if there is any tension in these areas. If you feel any tension, breathe into it and let it melt away. Focus your attention on your stomach and abdomen. Notice if there is any tension in these areas. If you feel any tension, breathe into it and let it melt away. Bring your attention to your hips and pelvis. Notice if there is any tension in these areas. If you feel any tension, breathe into it and let it melt away. Move your attention to your legs and feet. Notice if there is any tension in these areas. If you feel any tension, breathe into it and let it melt away. When you're ready to come out of the meditation, take a few deep breaths and open your eyes. Slowly move your body and come back to the present moment. Thank you for joining me for this guided meditation. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.